And I guess I'll show you how I use the Sawzall. Gotta get down here and reposition my ladder. That's good. I'm going to do the same thing over on this side. Same way. This is taking a little bit longer with you watching me, but that's okay, I don't mind. There's a top plate there, so I couldn't dig it in all the way. There. One more over here. I like to do it on the right side because I'm right-handed. It feels more comfortable. I don't like to use my saw over on this side, like that. This has a safety button on it, so I can't just turn the trigger on, which is kind of slick, but it's kind of a nuisance too. But it's for the safety of it. Take those off in pieces. A lot easier now. See there? Whew. Ooh. Let's get you resituated here. Now to tackle this over here. Good. Now see, I showed you I had lag bolts down here, so I don't have a ratchet set, and even if I did, it might be tough to get those out. So I have one right here, right here, right here. So I think I'm going to make quite a few cuts. Then there's nails that go into the stucco. So I think I can cut it right here, right before. Here's where the lag bolt is. I'm going to cut it over here. And then I can pry this little piece out. Then I can cut it on the other side of the lag bolt in between take that out, and then I can split off the little piece of wood that's left where the lag is, and then I can bend the lag back and forth and break it off or untwist it in or whatever. It's a little bit more of a process to get this one off, but I made the determination I've got to take this one off. It's all dry rotted at this end. Oh, I'm just about done for the day. I scraped off all the stuff up in here. I just want it all down. It was all down here, and I scraped it all, each one of these bays with my putty knife. See it? All the stuff was sticking up there, along there. I gotta just have that kind of air out. And Momi, my wife, she had a good idea. She says, hey, what's going to happen to this hole now down here? Are any raccoons going to go down through there? Or skunk, squirrel, bird flying in? Who knows what? And I said, well, yeah, as a matter of fact, this was how I got in here initially, to view this area underneath here to see all of the damage. And see, I had to cut that hole in too. They did the home inspection. The guy couldn't get underneath this area to look at any of this. He didn't mention anything. He didn't say, hey, something looks suspect there. We can't gain access. We would have had somebody tell the previous owners, hey, you got to gain access. We got to cut a hole through this wall and through that wall so we can see up underneath these decks to make sure they're okay. Had we have done that and had somebody have mentioned that, we would have had them do that prior to closing, and then a whole can of worms would have came up, and we would have had to have lowered our price, figured out how much it's going to cost to redo all this. But anyways, I cut this from the back side because I was in there to come out here, so I had to cut this so it's all angled the right way. I said, hey, I'll just use the same piece that came out of here. See? Just like that. And I'll take some long sheetrock screws, my 3-inch long screws, maybe put a couple screws over here, a couple screws over there, you know, to hit the 2x6 back in there. See, I don't need any backing for this or anything. When we get all done, this will be the access hole for this area. Once you get underneath the house, then you can come in here and do all that kind of stuff. So I got to get my drill, some 3-inch screws before I call it a night. And I'll probably take this ladder in too. I don't want to leave it out here. This ladder was really super expensive. And I'll bring it back inside, clean up a little bit, and we'll start again tomorrow. You gonna be around to see me tomorrow? I hope so. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I'm glad today's over. Got quite a bit accomplished though. Quite a bit accomplished.